Good morning friends, my name is Anup Nigam. I am a technical analyst. In the previous video, we learnt about how do we calculate the profit or loss for the synthetic long call option. Now in this video, we'll try to understand how do we calculate the profit or loss for the put option. Long put option is essentially traded by aggressive investors who are very bearish about the prospects for a stock or index. Buying put can be an excellent way to capture the downside potential. So when we buy a put, it means we are bearish on the stock or index and we are expecting the underlying stock or index to fall in the future. Now when to use this strategy? This strategy is only to be used if we are bearish on the stock or index. The risk in this strategy is limited to the option premium only, but the reward is unlimited. Break even can be calculated by subtracting the premium from the strike price. Now consider that we buy the put option of a stock X of a strike price 2250. So whenever we buy the put option, we are likely to sell it at a future date at an unknown price. So when we buy the put option, it refers to as long put. So if the spot price of stock X goes above 2250, the buyer will make the loss. Whereas if the spot price of stock X remains below the strike price, the buyer will make the profit. Now let us try to understand this with the help of an example. If the spot price of stock X is at 2694 and we buy the put option of strike price 2600 at a premium of 52. So if the spot price of stock X goes below 2548, the buyer will make the profit. Whereas if the stock X remains at 2600 or rises above 2600, the buyer will start making the loss. So in this situation, the buyer will not exercise its option and it will expire worthless. So the maximum loss in this strategy is of the option premium. Now we'll try to understand this with the help of this table. This strategy name is buy put option. We can also call it long put option. So if the spot price of stock X is 2694 and we buy the put option of strike price 2600 at a premium of 52, so the break even can be calculated by subtracting the premium from the strike price. So in this case, it will be 2548. Now we'll try to understand how do we calculate the profit or loss for the long put option. So as we know that we have stock X, which is trading at 2694, and we have bought the put option of strike price 2600 at a premium of 52. So if on expiry, the spot price of stock X closes at 2300, we'll have a profit of 248. If it closes at 2400, we'll have a profit of 148. If it closes at 2500, we'll have a profit of 48. If it closes at 2548, which is the break-even point, then we'll have no profit, no loss. But the moment the stock starts moving above the break-even point, we'll start incurring the loss. So if it closes at 2600, we'll have a loss of 52. If it closes at 2700, we'll have a loss of 52. If it closes at 2800, we'll have a loss of 52. If it closes at 2900, we'll have a loss of 52. So from this table, we can evaluate that the risk in this strategy is limited to the option premium only, whereas the reward is unlimited. Now let us try to understand this with the help of the graph. So in this put option strategy, a loss is limited to the option premium, whereas the reward is unlimited. So guys, in this video, we have tried to understand how do we calculate the profit or loss for the long put option. So if you think that this video is informative, then please like this video and subscribe my channel and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you. Dhanyavad.